State-level International Youth Day 2026 was observed today at City Convention Centre, Palace Compound, Imphal. The event, organized by Manipur State AIDS Control Society, in short MASEX, was graced by Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand, Health and Family Welfare Commissioner Suman Singh, and MASEX Project Director N.R. Rambam. During the observance, the Chief Minister launched Intensified Information, Education and Communication, in short IEC Campaign 3.0. and flagged off a horse rally. Addressing the gathering, Chief Minister Khemchand expressed contentment over the decline in HIV/AIDS prevalence across Manipur, attributing this progress to the rigorous mass awareness campaigns generated by MASEX and local NGOs. However, he cautioned that Manipur's HIV/AIDS prevalence rate still stands above the national average and emphasized that continuous efforts remain vital to fully containing the disease. Recounting his personal experiences from the 1980s, he described a dark period where rampant drug abuse became a dangerous fashion among the youths, subsequently exposing many to HIV/AIDS. The Chief Minister added that the stigmatization of people living with HIV/AIDS has drastically decreased today.
패션 오히려 샌나기거나 우리가 좁아 우리 사푸드나 세렌시얼 돌고 그러고 마양들이 하우라간다 아이자비스 노키부기 에너마 신경하면서 노키부기 둠바 타이밍은 물레기 I was very lucky when they tamdurai manobang yang tinasu na sanawa the tawayam jawabina sa yuhrin la hoye ni sawa yeru mai sawa wa kan khalinga sanawa karida sakida patama da tawgadi ai sanawa wagani thalakanda sai manobang yang dugi yang fashion noiba adu bani sa sinawa yahudi but nasisu ai sati sinai na haini masi. And at the same time, school college, Manipur is Hanamada Toya, Mayawi, though we Sati Singsi, like Pablo Toya, would be like the Toya of the Madra. Yana was a journey, though help Hasan is Pana, Hambi Kandagari, I pick out the gay Hana, Kanba, San Panaba Kanova Kaldusu, I said positively, Tapto Kari Toga, I said positive, or I did it.